Shaping of the Earth's surface, and here we are going to do multiple choice question answer. So the first question is, plate tectonics movement occur over the inner core, outer core, molten mantle, atmosphere. So it is molten mantle. The movement of tectonic plates can form mountain, volcanoes, plain and valleys, all of the above. So all of the above. It can form mountain also, volcanoes also, plain and valleys. The large and small pieces of the earth outermost layer are called continent, rock, tectonic plates, valley. Tectonic plates. Which type of plate is mainly made up of continental crust, oceanic plate, continental plate, mixed plate, mantle plate, continental plate? Which type of plate is mainly found beneath the ocean? Continental plate, mixed plate, oceanic plate, valley plate, oceanic plate. A mixed plate contains only continental crust, only oceanic crust, both continental and oceanic crust, only molten rock, both continental and oceanic crust. What causes tectonic plates to move? Rainfall, wind, convection current in the mantle, ocean waves, convection current in the mantle. At a convergent boundary, tectonic plates move apart, move towards each other, slide past each other, stop moving, move towards each other. Which landform is commonly formed at a convergent boundary? Mountains, river, sand dunes, beaches. Mountain. At divergent boundary, tectonic plates move towards each other, move apart from each other, do not move, rotate in place, move apart from each other. New crust is formed at convergent boundaries, divergent boundaries, transform boundaries, mountain peak. Divergent boundaries. At a transform boundary, tectonic plates move apart, move towards each other, slide past each other, melt completely. Slide past each other. Which boundary is most commonly associated with earthquake caused by plates sliding past each other? Convergent boundary, divergent boundary, transform boundary, oceanic boundary. Transform boundary. The Ring of Fire is located around the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Baratang Island is considered a rare natural wonder because of its mud volcano, high-rise building, large waterfalls, cotton field. Mud volcanoes. Which of the following is an example of physical weathering? Rusting of rock, dissolving of limestone by acid rain, rock breaking due to heating and cooling, decay of minerals. Rock breaking due to heating and cooling. Acid rain mainly causes physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering, wind erosion. Chemical weathering. Which of the following is an agent of biological weathering? Plant root, rainwater only, wind only, sunlight only. Plant roots. Wind erosion is most common in forest, desert, mountain, ocean. Desert. Which landform is commonly created by glaciers, sand dunes, U-shaped valley, coral reefs, delta, U-shaped valley? Oxbow lakes are formed mainly by glacier, rivers, wind, sea waves. Rivers. A cirque is usually found in desert, at the head of a glacier in mountainous region, along the seashore, in the river plain. At the head of a glacier in mountainous region. Stalactites are formed by the deposition of lava, calcium carbonate from dripping water, sand, ice. Calcium carbonate from dripping water. Stalactites grow downward from cave roofs, upward from cave floors, sideways on rocks under river. So it grows upward from cave floors. Which of the following can trigger a GLOF, that is a glacial lake outburst flood, earthquake, landslide into a glacial lake, rapid ice melting, all of the above? So all of the above can trigger a glacial lake outburst flood. Which Indian Himalayan state is highly vulnerable to glacial lake outburst flood? Goa, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Gujarat. Sikkim. Okay, so these are 25 MCQs from the chapter that is shaping of the earth crust. So this much for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.